Zhao, he is Vice Dean of Research of our college. So he is basically the man who is responsible for all research which carry on in our college. So he will give you some overview of research and some info. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you, Tatiana. Tatiana has asked me to give you an overview on the research being carried out in the college. You already know the university, so I'm going to skip it very quickly. The university is organized into 3 colleges, and in parallel there are 3 research institutes. So the areas of critical masses are carried out in the 3 research institutes, while the discipline-based research are mostly carried out in the colleges. Just kidding. Okay, so in the College of Engineering Design and Physical Sciences, there are 7 departments which covers computer science, design, electronics and computing, computer engineering, mathematics, mechanical aerospace, automotive, energy, manufacturing, material, and then civil engineering, including flood and coastal engineering, and then the chemical engineering is a new department. Every year there are a number of students-led activities. For example, the Made in Brunel is an event organized by the students in the design department, and Brunel engineers involve all the students in the engineering departments, where they present their design works and their final year projects. In terms of the research structure in the college, you can see on the left-hand side a lot of research, particularly in the areas of research with critical masses, are carried out in the 3 research institutes. And then in the college, we have the Automotive Research Hub. And then most recently, I set up the Digital Science and Technology Research Hub or Center, which provides an interdisciplinary platform where people from computing, math, and the electrical can work together with other engineering departments. Plus, we're also encouraging additional research, smaller groups within the departments based on their disciplines. Digital engineering is one of the fast developing research areas within the college. There's a new group called Quality Engineering and Smart Technology. They are looking at the quality assessment. And this is Tatiana's staff. You can talk better than me. It's about generation and evaluation of manufacturing, supply, and transportation optimization and networks. And then this is another professor in the department, Ali Musari, and he has been working on a number of European projects related to the manufacturing, in this case, zero defect manufacturing strategies towards online production management for European factories. That's another project led by Ali. And in terms of data science and infrastructure, we have academic staff from computer science and also mathematics. And in the case of ECE, we have a group of physicists working on the data science infrastructure for the physics community. And we also have a professor in computing science. He was leading, or he has completed a European project which has helped to set up the data infrastructure in Africa. which was very successful. And also there's a professor who is looking at a 5G and beyond. And in the case of digital medium technology, which are covered by staff in this department, also design department, like the 3D capturing and display, and this immersive and inclusive design and technologies, together with Channel 4. That's from Professor George Gillier from Computing Science, looking at multiple sensory, multi-semantic medium, and most medium. And also, Dr. Mark Carey is working with, I think, Bank of England and also Hong Kong on the influence of digital money and digital economy and big data, not too much. We also have a very strong group on the software engineering, particularly the debugging and the reliability of software. AI and big data have a very strong reputation in terms of highly cited publications in the area. There's a number of activities supported by the government. Signal processing as part of the AI. This is signal processing and machine learning in the application to medical diagnosis by a professor in DCE, who is also fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering. Big data analytics, we have probably one or two very highly cited professors in this area. So, for example, they are named as hottest research in big data, highly cited research in both category of engineering and computer science, blah, blah. So it's very high impact publications. So that's what are being done within the Digital Research Hub. As I mentioned, the research areas covered by critical masses are actually carried out in the form of research institutes. And the first one is the Institute of Energy Futures, which covers 4 research themes. I'm leading the first one, advanced powertrain and the fuels, and the second one, energy efficient, sustainable, and then power network within this department, and then resource efficient future cities. We also have a National Center for Sustainable Energy Use in Food Chains. This is me, as I'm going to speak now. And then we also have the Institute for Material Manufacturing. We have a world-class liquid metal engineering center. And when you walk to the uni, you can actually see the new buildings in the corner of the campus, where the scaled up manufacturing facilities have been set up. So it is our strategy to develop international partnerships, and the key priority for Brunel is to support high quality research and training, and to build the research capacity, and eventually we want to see the impact. So in terms of international collaboration, there are a number of ways. Can be joint PhD or research visits, or joint application to grant application within Europe or internationally or bilaterally. But the underlying message is for mutual long-term benefit. And I've been involved in a number of collaboration. It is always necessary. All the parties involved can benefit from the collaboration. It's not one-sided. Okay, so that is a very quick one.
Yeah, do you have joint PhD programs as well?
Yes, we do.
Okay, what kind?
There are different types. There are different types. I mean, I think in ECE, if I remember correctly, you have joint PhD program with either Germany or Greece.
It's
Yeah.
German.
Yeah. And we also developed a new PhD program with partners in China and other countries. So there are different models.
And with which countries you are collaborating?
At the moment, it's Germany, and we're also working with China and the business school, not the our school. They're also working with Bahrain, so they have joint PhD program.
Do you see opportunity to collaborate, for example, Russia?
Of course, yeah. Yeah, I mean, we are open to join that PhD programs and other forms.
And are you not scared from, let's say, administrative kind of not problems, let's say some?
Well, every country has its own challenge, and that's why we need to work with you to develop the program. We cannot go and develop programs, so we have to have local champions. So they know the local politics and local policy and local people in order to get them to work.
And on the end, you have this common degree, like for 2 universities.
What do you mean by common
No,
degree?
you mean like joint degree.
Yes, we do. Again, there are different models. You can have joint degree, or you even can have what we call the joint school. So the university has set up a joint degree with Chongqing University of Telecom, Post and Telecom. That's a joint degree where the student will get joint degree from Brunel and the Chinese university. We're also looking at setting up a joint school based in China, where they would recruit students on a much larger scale, but it requires a lot of effort and locally as well as our effort to provide the support.
The question: How does the PhD students are incorporated with this research work at the Indian institutes? How formally it's done?
All the students are part of the college. So the institutes are more kind of virtual. So all the staff are members of the staff of the college, and all the students are the students in the college. But their research are attracting additional support from a group of administrators in terms of the project management, and also some additional fundings to support their research.
So basically, that's the same people. They are just sort of virtually structured.
That's right.
Certain amount of funding for a particular level of research.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the PhD students are automatically part of this research, or not automatically?
Yes, automatically, but new academic staff are requested to join or encouraged to join one of the research themes within the research institute.
Okay, so when the PhD students come, then they will also select a college, but in addition to that, they will need
No, they don't select the institute, they select the supervisor.
Okay.
And it depends on where the supervisor is located.
They automatically go
Yeah.
to this institute.
Yes, but the students are treated as a student within the college. So we have a dedicated postgraduate research office. They look after all the PhD students in the college, including those in the institute, because they are considered as students.